the creation of a superman, and the primary forces of nature.
After everything we have exposed, we need to reflect upon the fact that the human being is an undeveloped being. He doesn't possess all his abilities and therefore needs to awaken, to become a real man, to take advantage of his potential. His abilities are atrophied and we can rarely have a glimpse of them, but undoubtedly we can fully handle them consciously. Christ taught in his Gospels that everything he had done we could do, and even do more than what he did. If we reviewed what this great master did, we would be amazed at what we would be able to do. Universal Gnosticism teaches us precise techniques in order to develop our potential and become true men, in the full sense of the word. A king of nature, and then to become a superman. But to do that, we must learn to work with the three primary forces of nature, to create our inner bodies, to awaken the igneous force of the Kundalini and make it ascend through our vertebrae and activate our chakras. Only in this way, destroying our psychological defects and developing our powers, we would be able to create an internal structure which allows us to join our real being, our intimate God, and to become a superman, a man in the true sense of the word. To be able to become a true man and then a superman, we need to learn how to work with the three primary forces of nature. The sun, which is the Christ or Vishnu or Osiris, always comes in different cultures to bring a message of liberation, of awakening, of complete revolution, and teaches humanity his doctrine, his knowledge, his wisdom, which is a light that allows men to see what must be done to get out of the status he is in, to fully develop. That light shines within, and we must learn to develop it inside us, activating our consciousness through self-observation, the soul key, profound self-knowledge, etc. This light allows us to know our inner lives and leads us in a natural way through the path of service and the development of conscious love. We must also learn to work with the heat, with the igneous force of the Holy Spirit, which is the fire inside us, linked to our energies, which needs to be wisely channeled with the alchemical transmutation. In this way, those energies have a higher destination, so we can build an inner structure, that temple or inner city which all the religions have spoken of, the tree of life quoted by the Hebrew Kabbalists and the biblical Genesis. This is only possible through the regeneration of the physical body and the inner bodies. We must also learn to work with the sound, through vocalization, but also through the comprehension of our psychological defects, to be able to destroy from our nature all the elements that prevent us from a rightful relationship with our deep inner being, our Father. The being is completely opposite to the ego, and if the ego is expressing, then our being cannot be present in our inner world.